Angelology is the study of angels. Angels are essential in the Christian worldview and in other religions. Their name means messenger, and they are part of the community of spiritual beings. In the Old Testament, they have multiple functions beyond just messaging. In the New Testament, angels ushered Jesus into the material world, and he recognizes them. He even informs our theology of them. Therefore, we should believe in them. They should give us a sense of wonder about God's order. We should marvel at their activities and marvel that they and we both comprise God's civilization. However, angels are only one kind of spiritual being among others. Apparently, the full taxonomy of heavenly beings includes at least 4 species besides angels. Let's do a close reading of our passage to see what we can see. First, the occasion in Luke chapter 2 was the birth of Jesus, already announced on a very private level to Mary, Joseph, and Zechariah. Second, there were ordinary shepherds in the field. They were not wealthy or reputable. They were among the lowest ranks. And they were in no way related to the family of Jesus or John the Baptist, as far as we know. So the angel's announcement to the shepherds was a measured way of going public with this announcement. Third, at first it was a single angel, an angel of the Lord. This should not be confused with the angel of the Lord, or of God, that we see so often in the Old Testament. Let's do some math. Okay, the words angel or angels occurs 294 times in 282 verses in the whole Bible. By comparison, those words occur 26 times in 9 verses of the Quran. In the Old Testament, it occurs 114 times in 105 verses, and all the rest are in the New Testament. So actually, there are more references to angels in the New Testament. The 54 of those Old Testament references speak of the angel of the Lord. Many Bible scholars consider the angel of the Lord as not just a normal angel, but possibly or probably Jesus himself. This is often called a Christophany. Here are some examples. The angel of the Lord spoke twice to Hagar in the desert, in the book of Genesis 16 and 21. The angel of the Lord stopped Abraham from sacrificing Isaac. He spoke to Moses from the burning bush. He spoke to Balaam in the cursing scenario. You know, when Balaam was riding his donkey and the donkey pressed him up against the stone wall and bashed his leg, and then he scolded his donkey, and then the donkey scolded him back. That was the angel of the Lord. And the angel of the Lord called Gideon to become a deliverer in Judges 6. Finally, he announced the birth of Samson to his parents. I love what the angel of the Lord said to Samson's mother in that case. She said, "What's your name?" And he said, "Why do you ask me my name, since it is so wonderful?"